Vivo launched the T4 Pro back in August of last year, and the brand is now already working on its successor, which will unsurprisingly be called T5 Pro. The upcoming device's existence has been revealed by its listing in an IMEI database. Model number is V2568. Featured a 6.77-inch quad-curved AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate and a claimed 5000 nit local peak brightness. A chipset upgrade feels likely, possibly a newer Snapdragon 7 series chip or a MediaTek Dimensity alternative, paired with up to 12GB RAM and 256GB storage. The phone packed a 50MP primary sensor with OIS, a 50MP periscope telephoto offering 3x optical zoom, also with OIS, and a 2MP auxiliary sensor. On the front, a 32MP shooter handled selfies. Add to that a sizable 6500 mAh battery with 90W fast charging and 7.5W reverse wired charging. With IP68/IP69 ratings, the T5 Pro is expected to launch in India with a great price ratio. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.